Hello and welcome to Journalism Fast Forward's Introduction to New Media, Part 2, Writing a Blog. This will start you out with WordPress.com and your own blog from the get-go. You can also use Blogger.com with the Google account that you already have, hopefully, from our Reading Blogs screencast. So click the Startup Now button, Sign Up Now, and give it a username. This has to be unique. A password and enter it again. And the email address. Say that you've read their terms of service. Say, give me a blog. Click next. Ask you what you want your blog domain to be. journalismfastforward.wordpress.com is what I've picked here. And you would like your blog to appear in search engines like Google and Technorati. Yes, you do. Say sign up. Soon you will find yourself with an email from WordPress.com with a link that you need to sign in. Select that link. And as you'll notice, it does give you the plain text of your password. So if you are worried about your security, you should probably change that as soon as possible. And then you click Login. And enter your username and password combination. You'll be taken to what's called the dashboard. And with your dashboard, you can see that you have one post, one page, one category, one comment that is one of them is approved. You've seen Miss Kubrick with 0 widgets. And you can see your post by clicking on Posts. You can visit site and see what your your blog looks like with just the standard stuff in it. Hello World is the first post. It's automatically entered. It's uncategorized. And this is the basic blog layout. Go back to your dashboard. You can add a post by clicking on New Post up here. And you can do things like make this bold, italic, strike through. You can do unordered and ordered lists. Block quotes. Play with the alignment. Put an insert more tag, which will mean that you have more to say, and that it'll and you come over here and you say it says draft, and because you haven't done it yet, public, because it's going to be visible to everybody immediately, which means that it'll publish whenever you click the publish button. When we reload this, you get this as a test, and here's what your post looks like. You can also insert maybe full screen, spell check is kind of interesting. Pages are like posts, and they are, except for they are static and they don't appear in they appear in a separate list from the post. If you go to your site, you've got one page called About, which I suggest you edit and make it look like you instead of this. But that's really all there is to it. You can change the appearance and say, I don't want that silly blue box, I want something better. Let's pick something nice. We'll do Andreas 04. And then when we reload our blog, we'll see that the presentation has totally changed. And that's about it. It's a pretty simple process. You can see how this new theme is going to affect the layout. That's about it. This has been Journalism Fast Forwards, Introduction to New Media, Part 2, Writing a Blog.